Thanks for tuning in to our video comparing two top-rated internal hard drives, the Seagate Barracuda 2TB and the Toshiba hard drive. In this video, we will be comparing these two products in various categories to help you make an informed purchase decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related reviews. The Seagate Barracuda offers twice the capacity of the Toshiba hard drive, coming in at 2 TB versus the Toshiba's 1 TB. The Seagate Barracuda's faster speed of 7200 RPM trumps the Toshiba's rotation speed of 5400 RPM, making it a better choice for power users who need fast access to large files. While both products have a similar form factor, the Seagate Barracuda offers a wider variety of form factors to choose from, making it a more versatile option for different setups. The Toshiba hard drive is significantly cheaper than the Seagate Barracuda, making it a great budget option for users who don't need as much storage capacity or speed. The Toshiba hard drive comes with a 3-year warranty from the reseller, while the Seagate Barracuda doesn't have a specific warranty mentioned in the description. This makes the Toshiba a more secure purchase for those worried about their product failing in the long run. So there you have it, a comparison of the Seagate Barracuda 2 TB and the Toshiba hard drive. Depending on your individual needs, either option may be the right choice for you. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related reviews.